I'm doing something a little bit different today. Instead of using my 1¼ or my 1.5 or even my inch curling iron, I am using a 1/2 inch curling iron. So instead of getting this nice long beachy kind of wave, I'm going for a tighter curl today. So I'm using the Hot Tools 1/2 inch, and I've just kind of been rotating the curl back and forth, taking smaller sections than I normally would. Just because it's a smaller curling iron, you need the heat to go through all the way. So I'm taking just a little bit smaller than normal. We've been seeing a lot more volume in curls all over Pinterest and Instagram, so I decided to whip out my 1/2 inch curling iron and go for it. I am liking it so far, I think because of the length. I'm wearing 2 rows of natural beaded row hair extensions, and if you're interested in natural beaded rows, you can go to my website, temeculahairextensions.com, and click apply, and it will give you all the information that you're looking for regarding pricing, maintenance information, style tips, more about the process. So I'm liking the smaller curls so far. So I'm just about done. Just gonna finish up the front here, and then I will shake it out, maybe brush it, see how it all comes together. So the front pieces, I always go away from the face. It just frames your face better. I always like to hit like a cheekbone or a jaw, lip, something like that, just a focal point on your face. So with the tighter curl, I think it's gonna end up being cheekbone. See how it just kind of hits right there? So I'll leave the curling iron on in case I want to do any touching up, but I'm just gonna go through it and use my fingers, kind of comb it out and break up all these curls. So I used the 1/2 inch curling iron, and I rotated forward and backward. But everything around my face, I went away from the face. This would be fun for New Year's or the holidays, just to do something different. You know, something different than your beachy waves. I really like it, and I 100% think it's because my hair is 22 inches long. I'm wearing natural beaded row hair extensions, and if you're interested in natural beaded rows, you can go to my website, temeculahairextensions.com, and click the link that says apply, and it'll walk you through an application, and it'll answer a lot of questions that you might have regarding pricing or maintenance, stuff like that. So now what I'll do is kind of go through and just touch up. So I'll just pick up some pieces from the top that I might want to add a little more texture or a little more volume. Just around the top. I'm really liking this. Kind of reminds me of my natural hair, but better. A good trick for if you do have natural curly hair is take a 1/2 inch curling iron like the one I'm using, and after your hair is already dry, go through and just kind of curl certain pieces like I'm doing, and it'll make your curls look a lot more defined, and maybe take out some frizz if you have to fight frizz. But I think this is super fun. This might be my New Year's hairdo. I'm loving those, I don't know what you call it, the big snap clips that look like a triangle. That would be really cute if you like popped one in maybe right here. Or just something sparkly right here. That would be really cute. Yeah, okay guys, that's it.